राज्यात पर्यटन हंगामाक सुरुवात जाल्या। दर्यादेगांचेर पर्यटकांची मोठ्या संख्येन गर्दी पळोवपाक मेळटा। दर्यादेगेर तैनात आशिल्ल्या पुलिसांनी आनी IRBच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी पर्यटकांक त्रास दिवपी लोकांआड खर कारवाय करची, तशेंच लोकांनी पुलीस हेल्पलायन कडेन कागाळ करची अशें आवाहन आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी केलां। तशेंच हे विशीं आपूण मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंता कडेन चर्चा करतलो अशेंय तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें। पळयात।
That is wrong. That tourism police which are on the beach should take strict action on that. Tourists cannot be harassed. Tourists cannot be touched. Especially
domestic tourist,
a lady tourist, a woman who is on the beach, who are with their friends, should not be touched by any male tourist. So action should be taken on them. Where there is Goa police on the beach, IRB are also on the beach. They should take strict action on any such incident which happens. Warning signs should be there as you are entering the beach belt, what you can do and what you cannot do. And all these things have to fall in place if we want to project Goa as one of the best tourist destinations. See, we had a meeting yesterday only with the police inspector of Anjana police station. Lobo had a meeting. I was also present, and he is being told to call all the club owners, all the restaurant owners, all the guest house owners of Anjuna, Vagator, Shapora, and in his jurisdiction, whatever owners are there, and to instruct them to tell all the staff, no matter how drunk the tourist is, do not touch them. No matter what is the situation, you can't touch them, you can't hit them. You can't hit the tourist. So just dial the police helpline number 112 or the respected PSI or whatever numbers the police are giving. They have to give them the staff and let the police come on site and defuse the situation.